Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of trigonometry. So as per the problem, determine the values of x to the nearest unit. And we have to analyze these two diagrams. So let's start with the first diagram. We have to find the length of side DG in the diagram. This diagram is made up of two right angle triangles. These two triangles are in three dimensions. These two triangles have the common side DF. The unknown side length X is in triangle DFG. There is not enough information about triangle DFG that we can use to find the value of X. So we have to first analyze triangle DEF to find the length of side DF, which is common to the two triangles, and then use that length of side DF to find the value of x. So let's start by analyzing triangle DEF. This is a right angle triangle. We are given angle E, which is 35 degrees. For the 35-degree angle, side DF is the opposite side. We are given the length of side EF, which is 15 centimeter, and EF is the adjacent side for the 35-degree angle. Since this is a right angle triangle, we can use SOHCAHTOA to find the length of side DF. We can use the tan ratio. The formula for tan is opposite over adjacent. The opposite side is DF and the adjacent side is EF, which is 15 centimeters long. We can isolate DF in this equation by cross multiplying the 15. Fifteen times tan 35 degrees is equal to 10.5 and the unit is centimeter. This is the length of side DF. Now we can use this length to find x. We should analyze triangle DFG. In this triangle, we are given angle G, which is 45 degrees. Side DF is the opposite side, which is 10.5 centimeter long. And we have to find side DG, which is the hypotenuse in this triangle. Since this is a right angle triangle, we can use SOHCAHTOA. We should use the sine ratio. The opposite side length is 10.5. We have to solve for x. The next step is to cross multiply the x. Next, we can divide both sides by sine 45 degrees. Ten point five over sine 45 degrees is equal to 14.849. We have to round the answer to the nearest unit, so the final answer should be 15, and the unit should be centimeter. So this should be the value of x for the first diagram. Now we can analyze the second given diagram. We have to find the value of x, which is the length of side AB. In this diagram, we are given two triangles. ABC is a right angle triangle, but BCD is not a right angle triangle. In triangle ABC, we only know the angle A, so we cannot find the value of x. We have to start by analyzing triangle BCD. In this triangle, length of side BD is equal to length of side CD because of these two marks on the sides. We are also given that the length of side CD is 15 centimeter. Therefore, the length of side BD is also equal to 15 centimeter. The next step is to find the measures of angles B and C. Since angles B and C are opposite to the congruent sides in this triangle, therefore the measure of angle B is equal to the measure of angle C. There is a very important concept we need to understand and memorize to solve this type of problem. Next step is to find the measures of these two angles. The sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So the measure of angle B plus angle C plus 70 degrees should be equal to 180 degrees. Let's assume the value of angle B and angle C is equal to y. We have to solve this equation to find the value of y. We can combine the like terms y and y. Next, we can combine the like terms 70 degrees and 180 degrees by subtracting 70 degrees from both sides. (180 degrees minus 70 degrees is equal to 110 degrees. Next, we can divide both sides by 2. So the value of y is 55 degrees. The measure of angle B and angle C is equal to 55 degrees. Now we can find the length of side BC because side BC is common to both triangles. So if we find the length of side BC from triangle BCD, we can use that side length to find the measure of x. Triangle BCD is not a right angle triangle, so we can use sine law to find the measure of side BC. Side BC is opposite to corner D, so it can be labeled as lowercase d. We can use side B, which is opposite to angle B. The sine law equation can be written as now we can sub in the values. Next, we can isolate D by cross multiplying sine 70 degrees. Now we can evaluate this expression. I get 17.21 and the unit is centimeters. So this is the length of side BC. Now we can analyze triangle ABC to find the value of x. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, so we can use SOHCAHTOA. We are given angle A, which is 27 degrees. Side BC is the opposite side, and side AB is the hypotenuse. So we can use sine ratio. Next, we can cross multiply the x. Next, we can isolate x by dividing both sides by sine 27 degrees. Now we can evaluate this expression. I get 37.91. We have to round the answer to the nearest unit. So the final answer should be 38 and the unit is centimeters. So this should be the final answer for the second diagram. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.